If you're building AI tools, but still sharing GitHub links or ugly default URLs, you're leaving users and money on the table. In this video, I'm going to show how you can go from AI idea to a clean, production-ready website in minutes using Hostinger's AI website builder. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact workflow, following which you can create a website in a lightning speed and create an online store as well. Welcome to Code Rash with Gaurav, where we break down AI trends, tools, and topics into consumable chunks. As an AI-focused creator, I need three things from my hosting stack: speed, reliability, and a low-friction way to launch sites without babysitting servers. Hostinger's AI website builder combines all of that into a single flow: hosting, domain, SSL, and an AI-powered site builder that generates a full website from a short description. Instead of spending days on front-end work, I can focus on the AI product and let the builder handle layout, copy, and basic SEO. By the end of this video, you'll see why I picked Hostinger over a bunch of other platforms for my AI side projects. Exactly which plan I recommend for you. Step by step, from landing on the Hostinger page, to choosing a plan, to applying a coupon, to launching a real AI project website using their AI website builder. So if you've been procrastinating on shipping your AI idea because hosting is complicated, keep watching. You'll have a live site by the end of this. Let's talk about pricing and the plan you need for the AI website builder. We are in the pricing section on the hostinger.com, and let's select the website builder offering. Hostinger provides many other offerings like the VPS hosting, domains, and N8N workflows as well. There are two types of plans available here, and most preferred one is the Business Website Builder plan. The features available in the business plan makes it an obvious choice as you have all the options to scale, and not just being limited to one website. You get AI image generation, logo generation, and as a growing business, you need these tools to take away the pain of visiting multiple tools to create, update, or maintain a website. You get to see your custom merchandise to establish your brand, and you get to keep 100% of the transaction. I highly recommend taking a business plan without looking any further. While a business plan is recommended, I also advise to buy the services for a longer period like 48 months so that you don't have to worry about renewal frequently and you can save some money as well. Talking about saving money. Using my exclusive coupon code, you can get additional 10% discount on all the products. I will be dropping the coupon code and the link to the Hostinger website in the description and the pinned comment, following which you can avail the discount. You can also scan the QR code shown on the screen now and go directly to the Hostinger website with promotion applied. Enjoy the 10% discount across the services and you can thank me later. After you have purchased a plan, you get to set it up. First thing is to choose your domain. I will skip this and use a temporary domain, and I will show you how to connect your website to a domain later. Note that with the business plan, choice from many extensions are free for 1 year. And there we go. We have our no-code website builder, which just works out of a prompt. As in all my videos, I have been emphasizing on the prompt quality. Let's spend some time in writing a good contextual prompt. You have seen my channel. I have playlists around AI core concepts, another one on vibe coding sessions, and another one on the AI tools and trends. So matching that, let's create a website that will help me promote my channel and will have a landing page and a dedicated page for each playlist. I also want a hero section on the landing page and a contact section where brands can reach out for collaboration. You can either create a website just from the prompt or you can edit a pre-made template. There are templates available for a variety of use cases and nature of businesses. You can select and filter templates from the top section and pick the one that fits your need. For my channel, online consulting and coaching makes sense, so I am choosing that. And now if we pick one of the templates we like, we land into the website editor, which is a great what you see is what you get kind of a grid layout, and it is super easy to work with. Some easy customizations, and you are ready to go live. This was one of the options, but I want to show you the AI builder, so let me take you back there. Our prompt is ready, and let's just use that. In the background, Hostinger's AI services are cooking up our website using the prompt. Alright, we have our preview. And what I like about this part is that I can still edit my prompt if I don't like the preview, and this way I can avoid a lot of manual customizations later. We have our call to action to subscribe, a hero section like we asked, and a contact form as well. We have links for the pages dedicated for the individual playlists. We can get a mobile preview as well, and it is very important that your website works in mobile as good as in desktop. I see the layout is responsive and overall it looks good and did what we asked for in the prompt. It is the time to customize the website before we go live. The whole editor is divided into the sections, and you can add or edit the sections. To avoid a casual user from being overwhelmed, the website builder provides an easy checklist to follow. Let's do some quick customizations. I would like to have a different video background for the hero section. Let's try that out. You can generate images using AI as well, and that is what makes this editor powerful. We can pick from a collection of videos available, or we can upload one. Let's pick a video matching AI theme from the library. And this looks good. See how easy it was. Let's move on to adding our logo. I will choose an image for the logo by uploading one. For new brands, the AI Builder gives an option to generate logos using AI. And that is an amazing feature, as you might know. How much time is really wasted in picking a right logo? Cool, our logo is set now. Let's change a few page settings, like the font casing. For individual pages, you can edit settings like the title, URL path, and SEO keywords. The drag and drop based edits and adding elements like a button, an image, a text and a blog are as simple as it can get. The editing can be done by anybody, and you get what you see. Doesn't need to be a techie to add or edit elements on your website. Let me quickly make some more edits before we call the homepage fully ready. The key takeaway for me is that you're not starting from a blank canvas. You're editing a solid AI-generated baseline. Let me also show you some SEO capabilities as well. You can pick a page from your website and assign some description and let AI handle the keywords generation. The SEO checklist comes handy to find out if you are still missing on some optimizations. The next thing we are going to try out are some AI features that come very handy and help you save a lot of time, and you don't have to jump between multiple tools. Hostinger AI Website Builder handles it all. Be it image generation or AI-generated write-up, a logo or a full blog, you can easily generate content using these tools. Let's try AI Writer to add a section about an explainer about RAG. Let's just describe the idea in simple words and let the AI magic generate an expanded text for you. We are just going to copy the text and style it according to the page. Let's add a text element and paste the content. And there we have it, our context-aware engaging text for the page, and we can style it according to our need. Let us also talk about a very important feature any business website needs: an online store. With Hostinger's AI Website Builder, you can launch a store, and not just that, you can integrate direct payments and lose nothing on commissions. The tools also help you generate a product description and image. Plus, there are many more features which I am not covering in detail in this video, but these features are amazing too. For example, multi-language support, payment integrations, calendar and appointment booking, analytics, and full-blown blogs as well. The styling of the website is not just color pickers or font selectors for each text. You get to see the most used colors and shades and pick from them so that you have a uniform color palette. Let's add a call to action button that takes users to my channel, and let's go live. Towards the end of the video, I will also show you how to update and republish the website. Before publishing and going live, you can take a final look and preview the website in the desktop and mobile layouts. And now that we are all set, let's go live. Remember that we are using a temporary domain for now, and we are going to connect to an actual domain later. Shouldn't take long, and we should have our website running soon. And there we go. we have our website ready on a temporary address for now. Let's visit the live link. And we are live. It works as good as we saw in the editor and the preview. All the pages, links and content looks just fine. The AI-generated text for the page fills up the context. Time to give our website a permanent address. Let's connect a domain. I am back to Website Builder and I see an option to connect on the top. The business plan also gives you a free domain with a variety of extensions. I'm going to go ahead with .com for now and create a domain name as the channel name. We need to provide a few details, verify the phone number, and then we are all set. For me, the registration was done instantly after email verification. Now let me quickly walk you through the website update and maintenance experience. I want to add a link to my YouTube video where I have talked about pitfalls of RAG and how can we avoid them. I can simply go to the Elements menu and pick a video element. Let's change the URL to point to the right video and place the element in the center. And now that we are done with the changes, let's hot update. The update is instant and let's check the live website. And our live site reflects our updates in a snap. See how easy it was to create and update a website. So if you have been waiting for the right time or skills or even cost, Hostinger's AI website builder bridges that gap for you and you can save 10% using the coupon code CODERASH10. And before we end this video, I would like to show you the Edge panel where you can control integrations, add official emails, create websites, domains, and manage the account as an admin. And to manage the settings, you don't need to be tech-savvy. The controls are intuitive and easy. If you have been waiting for the right time, it is now and you can get your business, portfolio, or an online store have a website running in a breeze using Hostinger's AI website builder. That is it for the video. I will be dropping all the links you need in the description and the pinned comment. Do check them out and let me know in the comments what will you build next. I will see you in the next video. Till then, have a good one.